Hi, welcome to Art by Anna Marie. I thought it would be so much fun today if we just got out all of the colours in our colour palette and just made some rainbow watercolour leaves. Today I'm just starting off with some basic leaf shapes. I'm using my Pure Squirrel paintbrush and I'm holding it slightly on the side to get more paint coverage, and when I'm doing the tips of the leaves I'm using just the tip of the paintbrush. I'm going to pop up on the screen the different colours that you could use for each of your rainbow leaves, but basically you can use whatever colours you want. You'll see that I'm not keeping an incredibly clean paintbrush when I go to do all the leaves because I'm quite liking the colours to meld into each other to create a very mottled kind of crumbly effect. But let me know how you go in the comment box below. Let me know if you're keeping your paintbrush all nice and clean and you're wanting crisp colours, or you're a little bit more like me and you want a mottled effect. The real-time tutorial for this episode is actually on my Art by Anna Marie Patreon site, where I have all my real-time tutorials. So if you want to hear this explained in real time, or you want to see the painting in real time, click over to Art by Anna Marie Patreon and have a look at that. Here is my finished result. I'm really happy with it. It was so much fun to do, and it kind of ended up being quite a pretty little pattern. You can change any of the colours that you want to change, but leave me a comment in the box below and let me know if you prefer leaves that are just green in colour, or if you quite liked this rainbow leaf effect. Don't forget to subscribe also, because I've got lots more tutorials coming up in the future and you don't want to miss it. Thanks so much for watching. Bye!